Tom Modern, which is a pet-friendly mall.
거기까지 해. 너 다가가면 나 정신 못 차려. 안 돼, 그만해. 꽃은 넣어둬. 그냥 좀 바람이 불게 놔줘. 왜 그럴까 사람들은 그냥 본 기운이 좋아. 눈치없이 밖을 나가는 걸까.
시키?
哎，他手这边。
Later today, I'm gonna be making corn milk, which is trending at the moment. And I told my colleagues that I'm gonna make it tonight so they can drink it tomorrow morning in the office. So because of that, I decided to get myself this microwave butter chicken biryani. Okay. Yes, baby. Are your paws still wet? Are your paws still wet? I usually don't vlog on days when I go to the office, but I wanted to show you guys the reality of what it's like having a dog when you're working. Now when I go home, the first thing I do is clean poop. I think apart from cleaning poop and then cleaning his cage, I think everything else is still okay. It's fine if he doesn't step on his poop and smear it all over his cage. Yeah, that's the only like tiresome thing I feel like. He's such a baby. Good boy. I'm gonna take this out. Honey, sit. Stay. Stay. It's time to make corn milk. We're just trying to wing it because I'm tired. I'm gonna do 1 cup corn, 1.5 cups of milk. This is 1 cup. I'm gonna use oat milk. So it's time to blend everything in my blender. Do you guys think this is enough? Okay, I think that should be good enough. Is this good enough? Oh my god, it looks good. It's good. To chill in the fridge. Oh my god, that looks perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna do the dishes and then wash up and probably get ready to sleep because I still need to work tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! It was so hot, this camera.